Hands. Put the phone down now. Sit. Lay down. Put the phone down now. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Put the phone down. Stand up, okay? Stand up. You're good. Stand up. I got you. Hey, you're good. You're good. All right. Stand up. I got you. You're gonna be okay. Stand up. I got you. I'm gonna detain you for right now, okay? Let me get every phone. I'm gonna set it on the ground so we don't break it. All right?
I didn't run from you. I didn't run from you.
Are you okay? That's fine. These come off just as easy, all right?
What the fuck?
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay.
Sorry, 9, we got 2 detained, car secure.
Can you put him in my pocket?
2 detained, 1534.
Is there anything in pockets we need to know about?
No, nothing.
All right.
Here, you can check.
You're okay, all right?
Be a temp tag. Charles.
Who's in the car with you?
My dad.
It's your dad? Okay. Do you know why he took off running? You know why he took off running?
No.
You got it. I can't breathe. I'm fucking off.
All right, he's gonna be okay too. Don't worry about it. All right.
Me and I can't breathe.
You're okay. Everything's gonna be fine.
Stop pulling away from me. Stop moving. Stop.
Wow.
Stop.
Where's the sergeant?
Stop.
Get off of me, dude.
I'm
Stop.
gonna pull your mask up, okay?
636,
You're okay? You're not hurt at all?
No.
On the ambulance training?
I'm scared.
Everything's gonna be good. Don't worry about it. All right.
For units out on Jamesville, we're going to take the patch off and interrupt one in Metro East. The detail will be on
Can I call my mom?
Yep. We'll let you make some phone calls in just a little bit, okay? He's okay. He's okay.
Are you in here?
He's all right.
Why the fuck do y'all got my son in here?
Here, do me a favor. Let's go over to this side of the car, okay? You're good. You're good. You're good. It's all right. Where's your mom at?
He's at home.
Why y'all got my
Okay.
son in handcuffs?
All right.
Why y'all got my son in handcuffs, bro?
Here, let's go over to my car. We'll get you out of those handcuffs, all right?
Take him out of handcuffs.
Okay. I was actually just taking him over to the car to do it. All right, you're good. Do you want to call your mom?
Yeah.
All right, we can call your mom.
You want to have a seat right there on the
Yep,
curb?
go and sit on the curb, all right?
Right there.
You're good. You can stand. You can sit. It's up to you. I get it.
Hello?
Yes.
You have to come take me home.
I got to come pick you up.
I don't know.
What is it? Huron Street?
Here on
The
Street?
Kroger and Huron Street 94.
Kroger on here on Street 94.
What do you mean? What's going on?
My dad got pulled over.
Oh, my motherfucking God. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm coming from Pittsfield. Tell them I'm on my way.
Okay, just tell her everything's okay. He's all right. So just hurry, but don't hurry, okay? We don't want you to get into an accident. He's okay.
Where?
So we're-
Where?
Huron Street 94. We're at the Kroger.
At the Kroger by,
McDonald's.
There's a powerhouse
the
gym
Kroger?
there. A Shell station. We're right behind the Shell station.
Okay, I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
Okay, and your son's fine.
Okay.
Y'all good? You need a water or anything? You thirsty? Gatorade? Hey, Cassette, can you? I'm gonna grab him a drink.
Okay.
You want a Gatorade or a water? All right.
Thank you.
Yep.
Can
pulled
you
in here,
get,
I pulled in
it's a bag in the car and it's gray and
Yep.
it's my grandma's gift.
I never
Okay, yeah,
saw
we'll make sure we
it.
get everything for you.
I got your
They're gonna have to do some things with the car just because, you know, what happened. But yeah, we'll definitely make sure we get that for you. Don't worry about that.
Let me see what's going on. Where y'all at?
I don't know.
Man, so where is your surroundings? Where are you at?
I'm next to Coney Island. Where is it again?
It's Huron near Whitaker.
Oh, hey.
Hello.
Huron.
Okay, don't start crying. Your mommy on the way?
Yeah. Okay.
Call me when you get home, okay? I love you. Be strong. You try hard, okay?
I know I asked you, but you're okay. You don't need the paramedics to look at you at all. Didn't hit your head.
No.
Seatbelt was on, all that good stuff. Okay. And like I said, sorry about that initial stuff. All right.
My dad. Dad wants to go over there.
You wanna go see your dad?
My dad.
Don't forget your Gatorade. Mom's on her way.
You
guys all still on or no?
What's that?
You guys all still on or no?
I'm still on. I'm gonna be done here in a second.